Hi, I'm Andy Sava, the Garage Inspector, and I have, over the last 26 years, run a variety of successful garages, and now I help other garages to improve their businesses. Today, I'd like to share with you some ideas on how you can increase both your revenue and customer satisfaction through one product area: car bulbs. How? By selling and installing high quality, high performance Philips vehicle bulbs. These bulbs offer the driver more visibility, increasing safety and greater comfort. By offering your customers a free light check campaign, you can effectively advise on their current light solutions. As professionals, we have a duty of care to keep our customers both safe and using our expertise and knowledge we can offer to replace or even upgrade the current lighting, as these bulbs produce more and a whiter light whilst driving. At the same time, positively reinforcing that bulbs should always be replaced in pairs. This will prevent them from returning to your workshop displeased that the other side has stopped working. Furthermore, as everyone's eyes get dimmer and our eyesight decreases as we get older, this will be a huge benefit. Philips upgrade bulbs offer customers both greater comfort and safety. Think about it: more visibility, more time to react in unexpected situations equals increased safety for drivers, passengers, and of course other road users. Most drivers will be happy to know how easily they can make things safer for themselves and of course for their families. And of course, your sales don't have to stop with vehicle bulbs. Once the customer's in your workshop, you can also offer to carry out a further health check on wiper blades, oils, fluids and tyres. In a nutshell, with a light check campaign, you can increase workshop throughput and build customer relationships, which in turn will generate extra sales in a win-win situation. If you're interested in setting up a light check campaign for your customers and your business, and why wouldn't you, please contact your Philips car lighting distributor, who will be more than happy to help you set it all up. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more tips of the trade regarding vehicle bulbs, how to access some of the more difficult locations and the opportunities they offer, please check out the Philips Automotive YouTube channel. Thank you.